down here in downtown Little Rock today, and I was hoping to maybe explore around some of the road construction going on Interstate 30. The construction workers are working today. That's to be expected. Maybe with all the rain last week, they're probably trying to make up for lost time. You might notice in this video, I am wearing a new hat. As you can see here, in New York City. Got it from a friend of mine. Thank you, Cindy, for the NYC hat. I certainly do like it. I think I went up there. One right there. It'd almost be fun to crawl through it, but almost. Looks like a mini steamroller. Oh my, look at this. This is new since I last was down here. As you can see, this is the road that goes up to the Clinton Library. They got it shut off there. They got it shut off here because the road is gone. Jesus. Well, that's where I was gonna go, was across that way. Let's see if I can figure out a way across. I wish they'd let me go up, but I'm sure they wouldn't. I'd like to get back on top and record some video from the top there. And I was trying to go down to the junction of Interstate 30 and Interstate 40 where it connects up. I got to figure out where I can park and how I can get across there to it without having to cross the freeway. I don't want to have to do that. Anyway, I'm having a good time. It's always fun to be down at the river market. It's a beautiful day. I appreciate you watching my videos. Thanks for coming along with me. Lunch over at the Flying Fish. Love the fish tacos there. Well, I was hoping to get a little more video of the road construction, but obviously I'm going to have to wait until later. I appreciate you watching my videos. Please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment below and hit the like button. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video.